Hi, my name is Marcus from Kongsberg Target Systems. Today I'm going to talk about how to run a competition with eControl. First we need to navigate to the eControl page. Here you will see a list of all available competitions. It's possible to create new competitions. This is covered in a separate video. To start a competition, you have to click the play icon and choose which target you want to control. We want to use target 1 to 9, and then we need to select the shooting program. I will select the ISSF 60-shot 10-meter rifle and relay number 1. The monitor mode is whether the shooter monitor should be locked or open. In locked mode, it's only possible to zoom, and in open you can navigate through the shooting program on the monitors. We will click start, and you will see the match or competition window. Here we can see the active competition. At the top you will see the controls for operating all the lanes, all the selected lanes, and below you will see a list of all the targets. To the left you have the menu for going back to the dashboard and training session and control groups. As just mentioned, at the top you will see the controls for operating all the selected lanes. You will have the name of the match, the shooting time and progress, name of the shooting program or course of fire, relay number, and all the series in the shooting program or course of fire. You will see the green circle is an indicator of the active and current series, and you will see the progress through the shooting program. In the middle we have a progress and status indicators, which we will come back to. To the right we have the navigation button, which will guide you through the shooting program. At the top we will have a minimize and maximize to have different view of the lanes. And we have a menu for actions for all the selected targets. At the top you can see the shooter monitor, which is a large view with the target or lane number and the name of the shooter, which makes it really easy to see for the shooter to find their targets. Now that we are ready to start, I will click the start button. You will see that the shooting time counts down from 15 minutes, and also the progress. You can see the shooter monitor, you can see the target canvas, and the shooting clock for the current series. You can see that when shots are registered on the system, you can see that the shot counters increase, and you can see the shots registered on the monitor. We will stop and continue to the next series, 60-shot series. We have to stop and then click approve series. I will start the series, and you can see it count down the shooting time. Now you can see the shots on the monitor, and I will explain more about the lane numbers. You will see the lane number, the top left, and you will see a shot counter in the middle of the circle with the progress circular progress bar. To the right in the middle you will see the name of the shooter and the current series. At the top right you will see the class or nation of the shooter, and at the bottom you will see the current series sum and the total. It's possible to view more details for each lane by clicking the arrow symbol. Here you will see the shot list with all the registered shots updated as shots are received. You will see the information about the shooter, the lane number, name of the shooting program, and at the bottom you will see all the defined sums. Here you will see all the 10 shots sums and the current series and the totals. Here is the shot status if there is outside the shooting time, for instance. It's possible to click to discard shots. At the top you can see the current status of all the lanes. You can see the percentage, 90% finished, and this is for all the shot counters, the total shots, as well as the individual lanes. When all shots has been registered, all 60 shots, you will see a green indicator that the lanes is finished. And at the top you will see that all the shots has been registered. Now that we are finished, I will click stop and approve series, and then register result. Now we can continue to the next relay by clicking the button. If you want to navigate to a different relay, we can also drop down the menu and select relay. I will click next relay, and the next relay is loaded. Thank you for watching. That was a brief introduction to running a competition in eHub. Please subscribe and follow us to see more videos about eControl. Goodbye.